Good morning, everyone. Today is December the 10th, and I am Rhonda from Retrospecs. You may have known my company as Retrospecs 2024 LLC, but I have closed that business down. It is December, and in January, I am starting a new company, which I've already basically tried to form, which is Retrospecs for you. And again, I'm going to be having my products on eBay, Mercari. I'm going to do YouTube again, and who knows what else is in store. I have another website which is already called Retro-Specs for you, and it's FORYOU. And I'll put the link up there in the thing for you. But today I have one item that I have to package and go out, and we're going to go over that. But I wanted to talk to you a little bit about some Christmas gifts that I do have in store. Wait a minute. Let's see here. It's this one here. Not that one. Let's change this one out. So, these are some items that I have in my shop that women may like. Which the first one here is Glam Girl. Oh, no, this one isn't it either. Hang on. I saved that one for myself. Okay. This one here. This is factory sealed. Never been opened. And it is Glam Girl for women. It is like a dupe perfume off of Good Girl. So it is a lot less expensive, and it has the same fragrance. All right, that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, and like if a lady is in the office or a school teacher or a nurse or anything else, or just at home, or maybe at home office, here is a Ray Dunn mug, which is very popular. It says, "You got this." So anytime that, you know, she has a goal that she has to go after, a daily goal even, you got this. And here's a little desk sign. It just says, "Shine Bright." Really pretty and cute. It is Ray Dunn. So those two things match. Maybe a pair of sunglasses will be in store for her. Like these Marc Jacob. Yeah, Marc by Marc Jacob sunglasses. I have a variety of sunglasses on my website. And that would be a good stocking stuffer. And then I have something over here just for the family. So here is a little soft plushie. It says popcorn on it. Little popcorn plushie. And here's a couple of family movies. You have Santa Claus 2. You have National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation and Elf. So if you are a fan of Will Ferrell, Chevy Chase, or Tim Allen, you can get these 3 movies and this little plushie as a little holiday thing. Alright, I thought of something else here. This could be a gift for boys or men if they are a Star Wars fan. Here's a little tin with Darth Vader on it. And when you open it up, if I can get it open here with one hand, here is a bunch of little characters. So you have Darth Vader. You have this guy. R2-D2. I think this is Han Solo. A little Ewok. Chewbacca. I don't know. Han Solo again. Princess Leia. So you get these little characters in this tin that you can set up and decorate your room with or play with in this little tin. So this is another item that I have in my shop. And, oh yeah, I forgot about men. So hang on a minute. I don't see the timer. Oh, here it is. Here's the timer. Okay. Sorry, I haven't done this in a while. But I do have some items for men. Christmas ideas. I have a pair of sunglasses here. Some cards, like football cards. Guys love those. And I even have some slabs. Let me grab them. Other ones, basketball. Guys love these. Great stocking stuffers. A nice little wallet here. And this has a new updated type of a wallet. It has the RFID blocking inside, so people can't steal your credit card information. And even has little tabs to put your memory cards. SD cards, I guess, inside. ID holder. And then, of course, any of your cash would go in there. And a beautiful watch here, and I have a different variety of watches. This one here could be a pocket watch, and it is also unisex because you can also wear it as a necklace. So it could be a necklace or a pocket watch, unisex. So those are some things for men. And I didn't forget other things for teens. Of course, the Swatch watch is always popular for teens. And if anyone likes vintage, I guess, video games, I have a couple of Xbox One games here. Battlefield 4 and Call of Duty Black Ops 3. But you can check out my pages on Mercari or eBay. It's Retro Specs, and I'll put the links up here for you for any of these items. So now we're going to go on and wrap up this item that I have to ship out for someone for Christmas. One moment, please. Okay, I'm back, and here is the beautiful item that I'm shipping out today. This actually used to belong to my mother. I've had it for many years, and I figured it was time to pass it on to someone else. These are highly collectible. Here's the sign on the bottom. Let's see who made this. Can't even make it. Reuben. So this is a Reuben, like a Barbie doll head. And you put flowers down in here. Now, I did let them know that there was some damage. Some of the paint's coming off here, and the bow is chipped on top. But these are such highly collectible items that, you know, a small amount of damage doesn't matter. She still has her earrings, I believe. Here's her earrings, her necklace. Her fingers are all still there. And looks pretty good. And plus, when you're looking at it down from this angle, you can't even tell that that bow's broken off on top. So, anyway, someone bought this from me, and I'm going to ship it out today. And the size of the box, I don't know if this box even says it, but I'm using a 10 by 8 by 6. Yeah, that's what it is. 10 by 8 by 6 box. And I'm going to wrap her up really good and put her in here. So the first thing I'm probably going to do is, let's see here. I only have one hand. I cannot find my my tripod today. I don't know where it's at. That's weird. But I figured I would put one of these bubble wrap mailers down in here. This is just for the bottom. Give it some extra cushion. So I'm going to wrap her up, and I'm going to show you what it looks like inside, and then we'll go from there. Okay, we have her wrapped up in bubble wrap. And I put some paper down inside the top. And so now I'm going to put her in this big, larger bubble wrap. I can do this with one hand here. There we go. Nice and secure. And I'll put the bubble wrap around on top. Pushing it down on each side. And I'm going to make sure that... Yep, I don't even think I can put this inside. Alright, yep, it's tight. And so then I'm just going to put a nice little note. And here's my note. Thank you again. Happy holidays. Retro Specs on eBay. And I put a little plug on here, of course, for inspirational videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube at Retro Specs for you. And that's going to be it. I'll press it down and tape it up with my eBay tape. So, that's that. Let's see here. I wanted to show you another really cool item. I've had this in my shop, I think, from the very beginning, and no one's ever purchased it. So, I do want to let you see this, if anyone's into the vintage. And so, if you have your perfume table, any type of a vanity, here is a nice vintage silver set. Look at this. I don't think it was ever used. Nice and clean. And this is from the International Silver Company. And then also, I just put this with it. They didn't come together, so this is like, it's called a marriage pair. A nice little mirror. And so that could sit there on your table like this. So I just have those two together. What else do I want to show you guys? Shoot, it was something. Well, I've lost it, or I've lost my memory. One or the other. But okay, that'll be it. Thank you guys for joining in with me. I know it's been a long time since I've done a actual video like this, and I'm going to try to do more. I want to try to increase my what is it? My presence, I guess, on YouTube, and I hope that you subscribe and like and share the channel, and I will get more informational stuff out to you about it later. I do want to say one thing, though. I did rededicate my life to Christ. All this stuff that's been going on in the world, the evil stuff, you know, I don't want to mention any names or anything, but you know, all the evil stuff that's on the TikTok channels and everything nowadays. Every time I see something more evil, it just draws me closer to the Lord. I don't know about you guys or not, but I get scared. I see this stuff and I just see demons. I see demonic stuff going on, evil stuff, and I don't want any part of it. It just scares me to death to see that kind of stuff. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't want to burn in hell. I don't do. This is exactly where those type of people are going. So yeah, my YouTube channel has started posting shorts with inspirational Bible verses and stuff that you could go and check out, and hopefully you will like them too. If not, you can just scroll over them and I'll just do more videos like this. So thank you very much. Have a great day, and again, happy holidays. Bye bye. And of course, I just remembered what I was going to tell you as soon as I got off of here. I do have the package packaged up with her label on the side. So this will be going out in today's mail. But I also wanted to say one more thing about New Year's. So if you are going out for New Year's, I do have a beautiful little black dressy purse. It would go great with your outfit. And this beautiful little watch. It's from Fossil. It has all the bling bling you need for New Year's Eve. So these also are on my website. So if you need some dressy accessories for New Year's Eve, I also have you covered. So I just want to say this. Happy New Year, guys. And hopefully 2026 will be a lot better than 2025 was. Okay. Love you. Take care. Bye-bye.